Welcome to this Kanoa MES tutorial on building your asset hierarchy. In this video, we'll walk through how to create the structure of your factory in Kanoa Ops, which forms the foundation for all future configuration. Log into your Ignition Gateway and launch the Kanoa MES Perspective project. Navigate to Configuration, Ops, Assets. Out of the box, Kanoa MES is configured with the asset type hierarchy Enterprise, Site, Area, Line, Cell, but this can be changed if needed. Creating the asset structure. Click the plus icon to create your top-level asset, typically the name of your enterprise. Continue adding nested assets, Enterprise, Site, make sure you choose the right time zone, Area, and Line. For each asset, fill in the name, select the asset type, and be sure to check the Enabled box. In this example, we're making an enterprise named Kanoa Inc. with one site, Philadelphia, one area, production, and one line, line 1. Enabling OEE for your equipment. When you create an asset, like a production line or a process cell that you want to track in Kanoa Ops, check the OEE Enabled box. This allows Kanoa to track operational data such as counts and equipment status, schedule work and orders against the asset, unlock OEE performance, availability, and quality metrics, and allow configuration of modes and states for this asset. Kanoa Ops will automatically create a tag UDT in your Ignition Designer that you can connect your machine tags to, and we'll cover that in another video. Now that your assets are configured, it's time to define modes and states, key concepts that describe what your equipment should be doing and what it's actually doing. First, open the mode and state configuration. Navigate to Configuration, Ops, Assets. Select an OEE enabled asset and start with the Modes tab. A mode represents what the equipment is supposed to be doing, like production, engineering, or idle. Kanoa includes common modes by default, such as production, idle, and unknown. You can also create new ones. Click Add Mode, set the mode name, choose a mode type, optionally assign a color and an icon, check Enabled, Can Select, and Can Schedule. Next, we'll add states. A state represents what the equipment is actually doing, such as running, faulted, or offline. It's very common to make a lot of different states in Kanoa to represent machine downtimes and operating conditions. To create a new state through the application, click Add State, set the state name, select a state type, running, planned downtime, or unplanned downtime, optionally assign a color or a category, and leave that Enable box checked. You now have operational context defined for your equipment, and it's time to associate that context with your assets. Linking modes and states to assets. Not every mode and state in your system applies to every asset, so you need to link relevant modes and states to your OEE-enabled assets. Linking modes. From the Modes tab in an OEE-enabled asset, select one or more modes. You can shift-click or control-click to select multiple, and click Link. Similarly, to link states, go to the States tab. Select the desired states, again, shift and control-clicking helps here, and click Link. Each linked state appears in the Asset State Links table. You may want to assign specific PLC codes to each linked state. These are numeric codes that Kanoa Ops reads from the PLC via Ignition tags, and each code is associated with a specific state for this machine. As an example, we've assigned the code 1 to the running state, so when the PLC state tag reads 1, Kanoa knows the equipment is running. Once linked, Kanoa will respond to both scheduled modes and real-time state feedback, setting the stage for tracking, analysis, and operational control.